In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your site private in Squarespace. If you're working on a website that isn't ready for public viewing yet, making it private is a simple and useful option. This is especially helpful if you're still designing pages, updating content, or testing changes before visitors see the final version. Squarespace gives you a built-in setting for this, and it only takes a few moments to turn on. To get started, log in to your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're inside the main editing area, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps many of your site-wide controls, including options that affect visibility and access. If you're new to the platform, this section is worth getting familiar with because it contains many of the most important administrative settings for your website. After opening settings, find and click Site Availability. This is the section that controls who can access your site and under what conditions. In other words, this is where you decide whether your website is visible to everyone, limited in some way, or completely private. Once you're in the Site Availability settings, select the Private option. Choosing private means your website will no longer be openly accessible to the general public. This is a good choice if you want to hide the site while it's under construction, or if you only want approved access during development. Before moving on, make sure the private option is clearly selected so the change is ready to be applied. Next, click Save. This is the final step, and it's important because your changes won't take effect until they're saved. Once you do that, Squarespace will update your site's availability settings, and your site will be set to private. As a quick tip, after saving, it can be helpful to double check that the setting was applied successfully by staying in the site availability section and confirming that private is still selected. That way, you can be confident your site is no longer publicly visible. And that's it. By opening settings, going to site availability, selecting private, and saving your changes, you can quickly control access to your Squarespace site. This is a simple but valuable setting whenever you need more privacy while building or updating your website.